Are you looking for the best massage guns? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best massage guns on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hypervolt 2 Pro. Hyperice and Therabody are the top names in this space, which might explain why the Hyperice Hypervolt 2 Pro looks a lot like the Theragun Elite's little sibling, at least on paper. To be sure, Hyperice's top-of-the-line massage gun is powerful, and it delivers a satisfying, consistent massage every time, with features that match the Elite, like 5 speed settings and 5 attachment heads. But it doesn't quite beat the Theragun Elite to the finish line. It weighs half a pound more and doesn't come with a carrying case. Hyperice also doesn't list the Hypervolt 2's amplitude, so I couldn't compare amplitude on this massager to others I tested. The Hypervolt 2 Pro looks like a traditional massage gun and offers a predictable, solid experience across the board. The gun is ergonomic, although it's definitely a bit heavier in hand than the Elite, and the build quality is superb. Power comes courtesy of a battery pack in the handle. To recharge it, you press a small button to eject the battery like a gun magazine. You could theoretically pick up a second battery to keep the percussive relief going for hours. I imagine this feature comes in handy if you own a gym or manage a team of athletes who will be using a massage gun frequently, but most of us probably don't need a spare battery. The Hyperice is a really nice massage gun in that it's definitely good quality, but I don't feel like it's ridiculous to suggest that someone buys it, notes Dr. Chloe Costigan. I feel really good about people actually spending money on it, too. The one disappointment I can't overlook is the lack of a carrying case. This happens to be Hyperice's top-of-the-line massage gun, yet they couldn't even ship it with a case? It's a bit frustrating, as is the fact that you can't easily turn the speed dial on the back of the massager with one hand. Ultimately, the Hypervolt 2 Pro isn't quite as capable as the Elite, but it's still a solid investment. And at $329, it's just a little cheaper than the Elite if you're looking to save. Long-term testing notes, like the Theragun Elite, the Hypervolt 2 Pro is still a solid massage gun. It starts up every time, holds a charge and works out sore muscles with ease. I picked up a spare battery to swap them in seconds if one dies, and while I don't often need the additional juice, it's convenient to have on hand. Ultimately, I'd still reach for the Theragun Elite, especially now that you can find it on sale for $309 at the time of writing. Number 2. Ekran Athletics B37. I wasn't familiar with Ekran Athletics before this project began, but I walked away singing the Ekran Athletics B37's praises as a practical, full-size massage gun that does everything well and costs only $230. With 5 speed settings and 4 attachment heads, the B37 tips the scales at 2.2 pounds, but its angled handle balances that weight well to eliminate arm and wrist fatigue. While the gun's 12 mm of amplitude is pretty standard for a massage gun of this size, the speed settings range from 1,400 to 3,200 percussions per minute. That low-end figure is the lowest speed I encountered in my testing, which offers a wider range for massaging sore muscles. What's more, the B37 maxes out at 55 decibels at its highest speed, or about as loud as a quiet conversation. It was noticeably quieter than some other massagers I tested. I didn't need to raise my voice or turn up the volume on the TV when using the massager. I mentioned that the B37 features 12 mm of amplitude, a figure that's expected from a massage gun of this size, but Ekran Athletics pairs that with an impressive stall force of 56 pounds, so it's easy to push the massager firmly against your body without causing the motor to stall. For context, the Theragun Elite, at the top of this list, only has a stall force of 40 pounds. As I increased my training mileage leading up to my race during testing, the B37 provided a deep, to-the-bone massage that left my legs feeling like jello, in a good way. With up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge, I could hypothetically use this massager for an entire day, or pass it around at a race or athletic event where others might need it, too. If I had to knock this massage gun, I'd call out the handle and the power button. The former is rather large in diameter and not ideal for small hands, while the latter is positioned on top of the massage gun in such a way that I couldn't easily press it to change speed with the hand I was using to maneuver the device. Number 3. Theragun Pro Plus. Released in late 2023, the Theragun Pro Plus replaces the Theragun Elite as Therabody's top-of-the-line massage gun with a sticker price of $599. That makes it the most expensive model on this list, but there's more to it than that. For starters, Therabody includes 5 standard attachment heads: dampener, standard ball, thumb, micropoint and wedge, as you might expect, but I was surprised to find a heat therapy attachment in the carrying case as well. With 3 temperature levels, it produces a notable warmth that doesn't really soothe any sore muscles, but it certainly feels relaxing. I imagine the cold attachment head is more effective, but Therabody sells this separately for $89, and my review unit didn't include one. Beyond attachments, the Pro Plus also features infrared LED light therapy, RLT, that, according to the Cleveland Clinic, can improve the skin's appearance, treating wrinkles, redness, scars, acne and so on. Therabody, on the other hand, claims red light therapy can stimulate circulation and boost healing. Most evidence suggests RLT should be combined with other therapies, so I wouldn't pick up the Pro Plus for this reason alone. It's more of an added benefit if you'd like to combine percussive therapy with other forms of treatment. A built-in biometric sensor provides on-device heart rate readings if you'd like to keep an eye on your vitals. Beyond technology, the Pro Plus build quality is top-notch. Sporting an LCD display to toggle through menus and manage the massager's speed and force, it's obvious that Therabody put a lot of thought into the design. With that said, the Pro Plus is heavy at 3.64 pounds, which is more than 1 pound heavier than any other massage gun in this guide. The ergonomic, triangular handle helps manage some of the weight, but there's really no escaping that heft if you're using the massage gun for more than 10 minutes at a time. Sooner or later, my arm gets a bit tired. Given its sticker price, the Pro Plus isn't a massage gun for most people, but if you regularly train hard or want a massage gun complete with all the bells and whistles, it's the best choice on the market right now. Number 4. Theragun Mini. The Theragun Mini is a polarizing massage gun. Some reviewers love its stout size and triangular shape, while others prefer a more conventional L-shaped design. As for me, I liked its small form factor and didn't mind the shape. It was the gun's power, however, that really blew me away and helped me forget all about the size and shape debate. With 3 speeds and 3 attachments, the Mini is billed as a go-anywhere, do-anything massage gun, and at 1 pound, it certainly makes a case for its portability. But where other miniature massage guns lack much needed oomph, Therabody built the Mini with a powerful motor and 12 mm of amplitude, which meant I could really feel the percussive head-hitting muscle. For comparison, the Ekrin Athletics B37 features the same amplitude but weighs twice as much. Of the 3 miniature guns I tested, this one delivered the best massaging experience, hands down. So what's not to like? Well, at $199, the Mini is expensive, as you might expect. This is a Theragun, after all, which is as much as a handful of full-size massage guns on this list. It's also tough to pack the Mini into its zippered, soft-shell carrying case because the case doesn't easily fit the massager and its 3 attachment heads. The zipper looks like it's ready to split when the case is loaded. But if you can look past the sticker price and the finicky storage, the Mini proves that bigger isn't always better. If you simply need a massage gun that's effective, reliable, and doesn't take up space, this is the one. Number 5. Ekran Athletics Bantam Mini. The Ekran Athletics Bantam, at 1.1 pounds, is the smallest massage gun in the company's lineup. Technically speaking, it's 0.1 pounds heavier than the Theragun Mini, but I really preferred the Bantam as a go-to-travel massager over the Mini for 2 reasons: battery life and its warranty. First, the Bantam's battery didn't die after hours of testing, which really surprised me given the massager's slim, compact size. This makes it a great option if you don't have access to a reliable power source, as is often the case while traveling. And Ekran Athletics hooks up the Bantam with a lifetime warranty, which makes Therabody's 1-year limited warranty look pretty weak. Those advantages aside, the Bantam is an easy massage gun to love. Its 10 mm of amplitude far surpasses the Bob and Brad C2 Mini's paltry 7 mm, and the Bantam ships with 4 attachment heads. Frankly, it doesn't offer quite as powerful a massage as the Theragun Mini, but it's still effective. And perhaps best of all, you get all this in a package that costs only $150, or less, if you can find it discounted on Amazon, as it usually is.